Atumia ni mauritwe gwituma siasari na kuvuranira iturwa itiganite cia utongoria githurano kinene gia ugite kia mwaka wa 2022 matagweterera kuorotwa wana kana kuthukua iturwa cia utongoria. Kiaria gikaro rina athomi cukuru wa University ya Embu, spika wa mbunge ya bururi Justin Muturi ni ugite kugonderera gwa atumia kuvuranira iturwa cia kuthurwa nikio gitumi kinene kihotometie kuvingia watho wa wiganania vari iturwa cionthe cia utongoria.
And that's why for the last so many years we have not been able to actualize that constitutional provision, because the only way you can do that, and the women seem to be very happy about it, is if we provide that it will happen after the elections and we say we have not elected sufficient women, tutafanya kitu inaitwa top up.
Makiria na uguo athomi ni mauritwe gukorwo makigwatite miri yao vaikoretwo thii wa nambere bururi-ri na njira ya gutethereria mwingi na uge uria maina guo kuthura atongoria maina cioneki cia kumaretera thii wa nambere maturari.
You want to elect upright people with integrity, but you don't care who is going to be your MCA after that, so that you don't care who is going to be your MP, who is going to be your governor.
Ndorora ina vatani kwira professionals makro manyitane vamwe nigetha tugiciria gukuria Embu and tugiciria siasa cia Embu makro maivau gatagati matikaugage ati o matikoragwa mai siasa ri maikorwo matai siasa ri ati nio kimuri kia Embu.
Boguo athomi anya ni makumithietie ciiko iria iraunanga ivoto cia atumia ta cia kumagimaria na mbara cia micii guku makiuga mitugo ino ni iravingiriria atumia gukorwo na umiriru wa gwituma maundu ri mauthii wa nambere.
As professionals, of course, we believe education is key to ending some of this gender-based violence to empowerment ya either the boy and the girl child also. That's the area to it matikone vate ya kuruithwa ni aciari yao behind our backs. There's nothing to gain.
Iguru ria maundu monthe agwatitimi mathomo ri kuma kaunti ya Embu ni mauritwe kuthingatirira arutwo macukuru-ri ni gukorwo kuvitukira mathomo ukiano kuvurana naguo maturari. Vandori va Kameme TV ni kaunti ya Embu ni Dennis Fundi.